Hi, I'm Steve from Virgin Island Yacht Brokers, and today we're on Tiger Lily, a beautiful 620 Lagoon, 2015, 8 packs in the Bahamas. Let's go and have a look around her. So Tiger Lily is equipped with 4 Harken dual speed winches, canoe boom, got a lovely area here to sit out in the morning, the afternoon sun. Carbon wheels, B&G instruments. She has a Simrad chart plotter, which is very similar to B&G. Identical port side equipment. Lumar remote anchor windlass. Volvo D150 engines. And dual helm controls. She's also got a bow thruster. Very comfortable shaded lounge area here. Very nicely appointed. Let's go downstairs and have a look. So moving down into the cockpit, we have some nice lounging area there, and cushions. Wet bar with ice maker and fridge. We have high field tender with 70 horsepower Yamaha tender lift, so that goes up hydraulically up and down. Well, the nice thing about these lagoons, you've got access from the master cabin, the 2 aft cabins, to come out into the deck area. Nice wide side decks. We have electric roller furlers, staysail, Genoa and Code Zero on a continuous furler. Can easily be handled by 2 people. Crew cabin forward, port side, with integral head and shower. Very nicely maintained and presented. Teak's in very nice condition. Let's go inside and have a look. So this is the galley up version. Plenty of room inside here, even with the galley up. This is obviously favoured by the, as a charter boat, being a 8-pack version with a crew cabin. So we have fully integrated appliances, melee, oven, hob, dishwasher, and then we have fridge and freezer, double sink, and then these steps going forward down here, we actually have another fridge there. Bright, airy Simrad chart plotter at the nav station. We have the Lagoon E-Plex system. We have our controllers for our underwater lights there, so we can change the colours. Let's go down to the master. So this boat is an owner's version. We have the workstation there, TV, some extra seating, and then we have the shower, beautifully presented. We have his and her sinks. Access to the cockpit. And then here we have a separate head. Nice storage there. Ocean air blinds all through the boat. So let's go forward, starboard side, and have a look at the guest areas. Very nice double cabin with a thwartship berth, so you can get either side of the berth, which is a nice feature. Ensuite head, shower, and a single sink. AC throughout, AC controls, personal stereo, and then we have storage, a nice amount of storage there. Port side. We have access to here, to the crew cabin. We have our fridge freezer. And then identical berth. Shower, access to the crew berth there, head, and sink. And then we'll do the last cabin. The last guest cabin. Port side aft. Stairs out to the cockpit. shower and head. And access to the crew cabin. So we have a nice feature here, TV, actually electrically controlled, comes out of the island unit, raises and lowers at the touch of a button. Very nice feature. So there she is, Tiger Lily, new listing in the Bahamas, 2015 Lagoon 620, 8-pack. She's a very nice boat, lovely condition. I am encouraging early viewings of this boat. She's ready to go to work as an 8-pack charter boat, or be the ultimate luxury floating home in the Caribbean, Bahamas, or anywhere else in the world. So to summarize, Tiger Lily is a beautiful 620 Lagoon 8-packs version. She's currently lying in the Bahamas. She's doing a few charters here. She's available from the spring onwards to purchase. If you want to know more information about this boat, I will put the listing in the comments below. And thank you very much for taking the time to walk around this beautiful boat with me.